Remove the grates and set them aside for later. Next, remove the burners and set them aside for later. Remove the 12 screws on the top panel with a screwdriver. Remove all 7 knobs and rings from the front panel. Remove the oven door from the unit. Lift up the 2 tabs located in the bottom corners. Locate and remove these 3 screws from under the front panel. Carefully remove the front panel. It's still connected to the unit, so don't fully remove it. Just set it down for now. Locate and remove the 2 screws from under the top panel. Locate and remove the 4 screws on the back of the top panel. Remove the 16 screws from the back of the unit with a screwdriver. Carefully remove the back panel. You need to push in the top part to release it from the unit. Wear gloves when handling the panel. Don't pull the panel away from the unit because the power cable is still connected to it. Just lay the panel on the floor. Carefully lift and remove the top panel. Place some protective covering on the floor and lay the unit on the side that doesn't need to be fixed. You'll need someone to hold the back panel while you move the unit. Also be careful because the front panel will also be loose as well. Locate and remove the 4 screws from the bottom of the unit. Remember to only replace one side panel at a time. Open the bottom drawer. Locate and remove the 7 screws from the front of the unit. Locate and remove the one screw from the top of the unit. Locate the next set of screws on the bottom of the unit. Locate and remove this one screw from the bottom inside of the unit. Locate and remove these 2 screws from the kick plate. Locate and remove the 5 screws from the back of the unit. Remove the old side panel from the unit. Remove the bracket from the side panel and place it onto the new one. Place the new side panel onto the unit. Locate and secure the one screw to the top of the side panel. Locate the next set of screws on bottom of the unit. Secure one screw to the bottom inside edge of the side panel. Secure 2 screws to the kick plate. Secure 5 screws to the back edge of the side panel. Secure 7 screws to the front edge of the side panel. Close the bottom drawer. Locate and secure the 4 screws to the bottom of the side panel. Carefully stand the unit back up. You'll need assistance because the back panel and the front panel will be loose. Repeat steps 14 to 32 if you need to replace the other side panel. Place the top panel onto the unit. Make sure the top panel lines up with the unit and that the burner ports have clear access through the panel. Place the back panel back onto the unit. Wear gloves when handling. Secure it to the unit with the 16 screws from earlier. Secure the back of the top panel with the 4 screws from earlier. Secure the front of the top panel with the 2 screws from earlier. Carefully slide the front panel back onto the unit. Secure the front panel to the unit with the 3 screws from earlier. Slide the knob ring onto the 2 pins on the front panel. Next, slide the spring into the center of the knob ring. Now slide the knob onto the center pin on the unit. Push down to ensure it's securely attached. Continue to add the rest of the knobs and rings to the front panel. Test all the knobs to ensure they spin freely and easily. Secure the top panel to the unit with the 12 screws from earlier. Put the burners back onto the unit. Finally, place the grates back onto the unit. Test the unit to ensure everything works properly.